model, 53-plate Nissan ELGRAND 3.5 petrol beautiful camper day van 4x4 very nice smiling face with hearts. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 91,631 kilometers. MOT, 6 October 2024. Engine, 3,490 cc. Transmission, automatic 4x4. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, automatic transmission is perfect. Pulls in every gear. This is an ultra-rare piece of kit. It has switchable four-wheel drive system which is as smooth as anything Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear camping area is extremely clean and tidy. Very well looked after Japanese import. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, air-con, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, cooker, sink, split-charging electric 12V system Grin HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.